Today, we'll have a closer look at 15 of the most amazing places to travel in Africa. Don't forget to subscribe, but let's head into it. Number 15, ISALO National Park, Madagascar. Just off the coast of Mozambique and in the waters of the Indian Ocean is the island of Madagascar. While the island nation has a lot to do, see and explore, a highlight is undoubtedly the ISALO National Park. Within the park, you will have access to a wide range of terrain types. Number 14, Zanzibar, Tanzania. Situated off the coast of Tanzania and surrounded by the warm waters of the Indian Ocean, Zanzibar is famous for its spectacular beaches and fantastic spice trade history. It was also an important slave trading post under its Arab rulers, and their influence is evident today in the architecture of Stone Town. Number 13, Omo River region, Ethiopia. Those in search of a true African wilderness should consider a whitewater rafting trip on Ethiopia's Omo River. Barely accessible by vehicle, the Omo River region is largely cut off from the outside world. Because of this, the tribes that live there have retained their traditional customs and way of life. And as such, a visit to this remote destination offers a fascinating insight to the indigenous culture. Number 12, Cape Town, South Africa. Known for its first-class culture, exceptional scenery and gourmet restaurant scene, Cape Town is the jewel in South Africa's crown. From the iconic silhouette of Table Mountain to the golden beaches of the surrounding suburbs, Cape Town is undoubtedly one of the world's most attractive cities. Number 11, Djenné, Mali. Founded in 800 AD, Djenné is one of sub-Saharan Africa's oldest cities. Located in central Mali on an island in the inland Niger Delta, Djenné was a natural hub for 17th and 18th century traders who shuttled their goods between the Sahara Desert and the forests of Guinea. Djenné was also famous as a center of Islamic teaching, and its bustling market square is still dominated by the beautiful Great Mosque. Djenné is located a few hundred miles downstream from Timbuktu and is famous for its adobe architecture. Number 10, Lake Malawi, Malawi, Mozambique, Tanzania. Spanning 3 countries, Malawi, Mozambique and Tanzania, Lake Malawi is the third largest lake on the African continent at 29,600 square kilometers. It is part of the African Great Lake System, and its age is estimated at about 1 or 2 million years. Number 9, the OKAVANGO Delta, Botswana. Botswana in southern Africa is another legendary safari destination. In the northern portion of the country, the OKAVANGO Delta is the top attraction. This large inland river delta floods during the rainy season and becomes a unique safari experience. That's when you'll get to explore the river in a dugout canoe, paddling past hippos and crocodiles whilst keeping your eyes peeled for giraffes, elephants and other animals who come to the river to drink. Number 8, Bazaruto Archipelago, Mozambique. Off the Mozambican coastline in the Indian Ocean, the Bazaruto Archipelago Marine Park is home to a group of islands with some of the more beautiful beaches in Africa. Bazaruto Island is the main destination and offers a range of accommodations from budget to luxury. But there are also deserted islands and others that are home to just one hotel or two. Number 7. The Great Migration in Masai Mara, Kenya. Every year, millions of wildebeest and other hooved animals like zebras and gazelles migrate between Tanzania's Serengeti and the Masai Mara in Kenya, in what has become known as the Great Migration. The most dangerous part of this journey is crossing the Mara River, where many of the grazing animals get picked off by hungry lions and other predators. Number 6. The Kruger National Park, South Africa. South Africa's Kruger National Park is one of Africa's oldest conservation areas and a top safari destination on the continent. The vast park, which actually extends into Mozambique to the east, is home to South Africa's most diverse wildlife population. It is also surrounded by private reserves like Sabi Sands Game Reserve that animals can cross into and out of at will for an even more upscale safari experience. Number 5. Mount Kilimanjaro, Tanzania. With an elevation of 19,341 feet, Tanzania's Mount Kilimanjaro is Africa's highest mountain and also holds the world record for the highest single freestanding mountain. Rising from the plains of the Serengeti, it is a dormant volcano and creates a stunning backdrop for wildlife safaris in the region. Number 4. The Dunes in Sosuvle, Namibia. Located in southwest Africa, Namibia is a one-of-a-kind destination that is often overlooked when planning trips to the continent. It shouldn't be. The country is chock full of adventures and landscapes you won't find anywhere else in the continent, including the Namib Desert and the Sosuvle. Number 3. Souks in Marrakesh, Morocco. Beautiful Marrakesh in Morocco makes for the perfect introduction to this fascinating northern African country that can actually be accessed via an overnight ferry from southern Spain. Number 2. Victoria Falls, Zimbabwe and Zambia. Visit Victoria Falls during the rainy seasons when the water volume is high, and you'll understand why locals call this impressive waterfall the smoke that thunders. The sound of water rushing over rock before dropping into a pool some 300 plus feet below sounds like the roll of thunder, and the mist that spews back up resembles thick smoke. It is an impressive sight. Number 1. The Pyramids of Giza, Egypt. Watching the sun rise or set over the Pyramids of Giza in Egypt from the back of a camel is an experience you'll never forget. The pyramids and the Great Sphinx date back to the 26th century BC and are Egypt's most iconic attractions. If you enjoyed getting to know the beautiful places in Africa, please share this video with your friends and hit the like and subscribe buttons. Stay tuned to learn more about the fascinating places you can visit around the world, and I'll see you in the next video.